time for Atiku to take
Well,
over Nigeria?
like I keep saying, he's a good Nigerian. He's a Unifier. He's one man who believes in Nigeria and every other time. And as you know, he has the delegates and everybody that will vote for the election. But you can see from his answers what he's been able to come out with. He believes in Nigeria and will serve Nigeria.
Okay, I'm talking about that he has been trying, making attempts. This is about the 6th time. He said it's the 3rd direct one. Do you think it's at Atiku's time in 2023?
How can I say that? Only God can say that. Only God can say that. I'm also aspiring. So it's God, only God.
For presidency?
Yes.
Good. So tell me about yours. Let's talk about your own.
Great. We all have spoken. PDP as a family, this is a unifier. This is the time for PDP to take over from APC, which has nothing to offer for the remaining days of his life. We want unity within the party. We want a winning personality. And that winning personality is Alhaji Atiku Abubakar Dawudin Adama. Let us join together, fight hard, and make him occupy Villa come May 2023.
Do you have the hope that this time around the Vice President can clinch it?
Absolutely. I'm absolutely confident. If not him, then who? Who else? We must be realistic. We must take somebody who will win the election. He has all it takes. He's trusted, tested, competent, and capable.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Abubakar Mustafa, former National Organizing Secretary, PDP.
Atiku is a great blessing to Nigeria. Today is the dawn of a new beginning. Nigeria, we are blessed to have Atiku. I say very big congratulations to Nigerians because it is the winning card for the party and for the Nigerian people. Atiku is a detribalized man. Atiku is a politician with courage and passion. He's loved across the 6 geographical locations in the country. He's very experienced. He's a detribalized Nigerian. He's a technocrat. He's a politician. He's served in government. He's from the private sector. He's gone around the world. Today,
to allow the contending forces in the PDP to give way.
Yes, this is enough because we need a person who will hit the ground running, who from the one after Buhari will help the country. Atiku has all the creatures. He's got the answers, he's got the ability, he's got everything. From the one, he knows what to do. We do not have time now. He will appeal to the youths. Atiku will encourage the youths. He will trigger the youth. He will discover the youths, the talents of the youths. Atiku will trigger it. He is a bridge between the youth and the age.
So are these the things you were telling the leadership of the party? Will the party give way for an open solid?
Look,
or will the presidential
primaries
be sold to a particular region?
Look,
what are the chances?
Atiku, even the governors of our party, they know he's the only one who can win. To beat an incumbent governor, you need capacity, you need ability, you need acceptability, you need a man that Nigerians know and trust. Atiku is the man the Nigerian people know and trust. He will win. He's the winning card for the country. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.